Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. Today we're making the Kingston Club Cocktail. Jeffrey Morgenthaler created this drink in 2011 and he published it in his book, The Bar Book, Elements of Cocktail Technique. So we're just going to build this over crushed ice in my tiki mug today. And we're going to go 1 1/2 ounces of Drambuie, 1 1/2 ounces of pineapple. I'm going to use the juice of a half lime. And it calls for 3 dashes of bitters. And a teaspoon of Fernet Branca. And 1 shot of Thomas Henry soda water. I believe any type of soda water will do. All right, and then I got a lovely garnish. And that's the Kingston Club Cocktail. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.